Hi, today in front of me POCO X5 Pro and I'll show you how to change icon shape with the Icon Changer app on this device. So let's first open the Play Store application, and in the search bar we should enter the name of the app, the Icon Changer. So now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download and then installing on your device. So now we should tap to open the app, and here we'll see all the available applications which icons we can change. For example, let's use the Contacts app. If you want to rename it, just click here on this edit icon, and just you will see here the library with the different available icons. And also, if you want to use photo from your gallery on just to take a picture in camera app right now, you can also use photo section. So let's, for example, use the one from the available icons. I'll use this one. Just tap to OK in the right upper corner. So now we should go to the system settings to just allow some permissions. Now click to other permissions and tap here always allow, show it on lock screen allow, and here always to allow. Let's go back now, tap to the OK on the right upper corner. Click to skip the videos and go to desktop or change next icon by the same way. So this is our new contacts icon, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.